Cause I was on YouTube.
Watch TY38.
Yeah.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop, which is this GMC Terran. Right now, it was, a little traffic everywhere, man. I'm telling you, Tennessee do not have the infrastructure for all these people they got here. Like, it is ridiculous, y'all. Like, ridiculous. Like, everywhere you look, every interstate, because we got the 24, the 65, the 40, the 440, the 840. It's ridiculous, y'all. But like I said, we out here at the first stop. We're about to detail the interior of this car. Already took off the mats. You look at those mats. Those mats are dirty. Already got the good old vacuum, trusty vacuum out. But, all-purpose towels, lily brushes. Brushes like this come in handy because, like I said, when stuff on the little corner right here, you can just bop, bop, bop. You know what I mean? Take it and wop, wop, whoop, whoop, whoop. Hit it real quick. And you see how quick it just moved that little dirt right there. That whole little area clean. Even though, so these brushes really come in handy. And I love them, you know what I mean? Because I can do this real quick. Even though the vacuum is great, but this is, it helped because it also agitates the carpet. And whatever was locked into the carpet is loose now. So like I say, brushes really come in handy. The only thing about the brushes, you just got to be real careful with them because they will scratch up this plastic in this car. So, you just got to be careful on what you're doing, man. Because you don't really definitely don't want to mess up nobody's car, stuff like that, But like I said, we're going to definitely get in here, take care of this interior of the car first. We only got 2 more appointments after this. Today, got to officially get those kids, like always, from school. But you see how this works. See how easy it's just moving the dirt around. And that's the best thing about these brushes. But I'm going to continue to show you the rest of the car. Same thing with the seats. We're going to make sure we clean the seats. Remember, you always got to pull those seats back. Look, you can see it, but when you pull it back, you can even see it more. So make sure you always pull those seats back. Always clean around the steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel. Most steering wheels always got a hatch, so you can just let the hatch down. Pull the steering wheel up, down, up or backwards like that to clean it. You know what I mean? But always make sure you lock that hatch back. You don't want to be driving with a loose steering wheel. And then, like I said, you get back here in the back. Same thing. You know what I mean? Get back here, seats, clean the seats. The dirt like to hide. And like I said, I got my good old lily brush. I like to keep just because, like I said, you want to get into the little cracks and crevices like right here. It works so perfect. Just hit it with the boom, boom, boom. You see the stuff coming out. So like I said, I love the lily brush, man. It's very efficient. It does its job. But like I said, we're going to continue to do this. We're going to wipe this area down. Door's not really that bad. We're going to clean the exterior. Even though it's supposed to rain, if you look at the sky, it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. These people don't really care about me coming out. They just still want their work done. That's why I keep saying I got to get a shot, man. And I know y'all been hearing me saying on this for the last year or two now, but that's something that is imperative, man. I have to get my stuff together, man, because I'm ready to start making my life a little bit easier. I love what I do, honestly, but sometimes it can just get a little tedious, man. I be looking around, just noticing I can be doing a lot more if I wasn't working as much. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock out this GMC Terran. We're gonna go work, hit the interior real quick. Hopefully it don't start raining while we out here working. We need to get us this money, get it up. Got a few things coming up, birthdays coming up and stuff like that. But like always, we're gonna do what we're gonna do. I hope you do what you're gonna do. And stay dedicated to the process, man. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do it, man. Just look in the mirror and tell yourself, I can. And like always, one love and peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We just finished this car, man. This first car today, which is this GMC Terrain. We got the whole car knocked out, in, out, vacuum, door jams, windows, cup holders, things like that. Tires completely clean. You remember it had road grime all down the side of the car. You see it's gone. Door jams are clean, things like that. Seats, you remember when I told you gotta pull back the seats, you see that's all clean. So, you know what I mean? We all about getting the job done proficiently. And we about to go ahead to this next stop, which is a new customer. She just actually texted me to see if we still on for the day, and I told her yeah. I just try to tell the people it takes time to do the job correctly. I just don't want to just do the job just to be doing the job. I gotta make sure that everybody's happy, even me. But on that note, gonna get back in the van, load up. Remember we got the new tire yesterday, but you know how that go. On the next stop, I don't know how dirty it is. I'm hoping it's not that bad. But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do. We done made it to this next stop. Right now, we about to do the Toyota RAV4. That's a new customer car. But like I said, you know how it usually go when it comes to doing a new custom car. You got to get in here and do a little bit more extra work than you usually got to do. So we're gonna get in here and hit this carpet up. Make sure we clean it real good and brush it. Make sure we get the seats clean. Remember, when you hit these seats, you see all that stuff jumping out of the seats. So that's another thing about, you know, you gotta make sure you hit these seats and stuff. I wish that dog would shut the hell up. It been barking since I got here. It's like, I don't know, the dog I used to see in black people or something, because it been barking the whole time. But regardless of that, we're gonna go ahead and get this interior. You see, you got a little dog hair, seats need to be cleaned thoroughly, things like that. So we're gonna make sure that we can make sure we bring up the utensils and stuff. You know what I mean? So we can definitely get the job done. Right now, you got the vacuum out, all purpose. I mean, yeah, like this plastic down real good, stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, so we can do what we gotta do. And on that note, like always, man, stay consistent, stay relentless. And on that note, do what you gotta do, because y'all already know what I'm gonna do, what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all remember what the interior of this car looked like, man? It had dirt, debris, sticks, twigs, mud all right there, just everywhere, man. It was just dirty in here, but we made sure we got the car up to par. Car looks amazing. Only issue we have is that it's already 2:15 and I gotta get these kids from school, so I cannot wash the exterior of the car. But the whole interior of the car is completely done, in and out, seats clean, whole 9 yards. She's definitely gonna be enthused with the work today. But we are finna get out of here, man, because it's probably about a 30-minute ride to my house. And by the time I get home, I gotta hop right in the car, go get these kids so I won't be late. But y'all see this car right here, like I said, it was a Toyota RAV4 hybrid, all-wheel drive. And on that note, man, like always, do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do, because I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And on that note, man, subscribe today if you're new to the channel. If you're not new to the channel, you constantly keep looking, hit that subscribe button. Just you know, leave a comment, say hello TY, or bye-bye TY, what's up TY, what's going on TY, or just whatever, man. Share this with a friend or have it. But on that note, like I always say, one love, love thyself. You can't love anybody without loving yourself. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube.
Watch TY 38.